Welcome back. Now let us learn histogram equalization. So through histogram equalization, you can definitely enhance the contrast. And what is the concept behind histogram equalization? I had already discussed this here. And in the scikit image section, this slide was explained, and there is already dedicated video, so please see that if you don't recollect. If you recollect, then yes, we are good to go. See, first of all, you need to have one little bit noisy image to really work with that. So we are going to work with this photo one, and how does this really looks like? See, this is the photo where you see that this looks like not that great background. Okay, and one thing, now either you can make, or either you can take a dirty image or noisy image, or you can create the noise yourself just for the practice purpose. The question comes, how can you create noise in your image? You can create in a multiple way. One is the blurring. Let me show you in the top. We had read somewhere here, blurring. So if you blur it, it looks like a bit noisy image, okay, because it's blurred the image. And second thing which I have not we have not learned yet, this is this part, erosion. So this is also a bit of that kind of things where image becomes a little bit blurry, and that is what you get this kind of image. And generally practically you can get this kind of image when you take a picture during evening time, or any time when there is not light enough at the object you are trying to take a picture. And when it becomes like this after histogram equalization, it looks a bit better. Okay, so let us go and see that how does this works. So we are going to read in line 143 one color, one image, and converting to gray in line 144. And 141st, we are just resizing it for our practice purpose so that we can see the image original plus a modified image. That's all, just for our practice purpose. It does not have any other meaning. And in case of OpenCV, you can equalize the histogram in a simple command. If you see this one line command, 150, done. And it is fast. Indeed, it is just super fast. It's very fast. And in line 152 and 153, let us see those images. So this was our original image, and after the histogram equalization, this become like this. If you see this background, it has become little bit white, and this black color, it has become more black. That is what it does in the contrast, whichever is near to white. So if you see, I hope you recollect, when it scales this histogram, so this part become a little bit more white. If you see, it will come to this point, and this part become little bit more black, like here it comes, okay, like this way it comes. That is what it has done it, and that is what you see. Okay, good enough. Okay, I have explained this one, that how can you blur, and that's one. This was for the gray image, but question may comes what to do in case of color. So if you saw that we can do for any one piece of that 2x2 dimension. So if you convert your RGB to YUV color space, then we can apply the equalization to the luminance, that is the white part, and after applying we can merge with UV again and then convert to RGB, and then you are good to go. So for RGB, if histogram equalization is not a one step, you have to convert to another space like YUV or in a with different color space, and then apply histogram equalization, convert it back to RGB, and this is how it works. Okay, so that's all, and let me know if you have any questions. And thanks a lot for watching it. See you in the next one.